Jada Kingdom signs an international record deal.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Amazing.
Okay.
You nervous?
Congratulations!
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, I'm here and I have good news. I want to say a big congratulations to Jada Kingdom on signing her new international deal with Republic Records, right? People, Republic Records is a division of the Universal Music Group, and everybody know Universal, right? You know the Universal movies, Universal Studios, and a big deal, people, because a whole heap of big artists upon Universal, such as Drake and other people. Even if them not still dependent, they still work with them, right? We are talking about name like Ariana Grande. We are talking about producer like Metro Boomin. Whole heap of big name. We are talking Nick Jonas and them kind of people, right? But like I said, it's a sub company of the Universal Music Group, so they have their own artists. And one artist who they have right now, we are going good at the girl with name Coyle Ray, right? Benzema daughter. If you know who me and talk, don't invite me to no parties that sang there to tear up the place, right? But people, Jada Kingdom sign. We have a little video with Versiman post, so let's take a look at that. Here goes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Amazing.
Okay.
You nervous?
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Give her a hug, man.
It's a big day.
That's crazy. Yeah. You did that.
I'm so everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, so congrats to her again. And we know say her boyfriend was involved in it because him post it and he post a caption with it as well. And he had this to say. So it's kind of long, but it's worth it, people, right? So this is what Versiman says, Jada boyfriend. Him say, the best position a man can put you in is the position of power. The last 2 years since we have met, we have worked our ass off to get to this point. It took a lot of sweat and tears, but it was all worth it. Now it is time for you to reap the rewards for all the struggles endured to get you here. I am beyond proud of you and what we have done together. Look at how far we have come. You are one of the most naturally talented people that I know, and I cannot think of anyone more deserving of this moment. You have been through so much in your life, and the mission for me from day one was very clear. We were put in each other's lives to shift music culture, change the world and your circumstances, one song at a time. This shit is bigger than us, baby girl. Love you for life, right? And then him dropped the big news right as him said, today I am happy to announce and congratulate you on being the newest signee to Republic Records in the biggest deal for a female Caribbean artist ever. I told you I got you for life. And I meant it. This is just the beginning. People, you know what I'm saying? The biggest deal ever for a female Caribbean artist. I'm going to talk about that in a while. So let's continue. Him says, salute to my partner in crime and in the music at I Am Real Fresh. We did it, brother. Took the pandemic and turned it into bandemic. That's the shit that we are on. That money well spent shit. And a big thank you to our team, Ben and Becca over at Wide Eyed, along with Mark Jordan. This is big business. The thing set when VI input the VI flag and Jamaica flag link up at Jada Kingdom, hashtag Jada Kingdom, hashtag money well spent, hashtag Republic Records, and then him tag Sean Nareto. I don't know who that is exactly. The photographer, sorry. Yeah, that's a picture person or the video person, right? But people, let's talk about what he said, the biggest deal for a Caribbean female artist. And why I'm tell you why I believe him, even if I'm not biggest, but it's a sensible deal. First of all, let me say this. Me see my sign something to pan when I picture them. I don't know how the deal go. We don't know if it go him get a percentage for every song with Jada do. We don't know. You see what I say? But him involved in it, so him go get something out of it also. But it'll benefit the both of them and he want want to see her win. But the reason why me believe when him say no, it's a good deal is because both of them have record label problems before this, right? We know that Jada couldn't do no songs because she had problems with her previous management team. So she did do the remix thing where she does jump on a song where she like. We don't know if she still can do that because she have the new label here now. So we don't know how that go. But Versimans, remember, he can them they owe him money, right? They owe him must say $3 million or something like that. And him they go back and forth with them and even take a shot at Kanye West one at a time. You see me, and Akan brother. So there's no way me think him a going in him right mind, get Jada for going an unfair deal or make them go around him or just, you know what I mean, trick him and sign or whatever. Me know say he must work out a good deal for her. I would hope so. I want to believe so still because like me say, the situation with both of them they in before, right? So it must be a good deal. And him a hype it up and I say the biggest deal for a Caribbean artist ever. So we'll see and we'll hear in due time. We'll see this music video them where Jada start get. These are the benefits of having an international record label. So think about it, people. You can basically do a full album, right? Then give your budget, you can go do album, you can get better music video, all the sponsorship, all in kind of something. The money I go spend on you, them I go invest, right? And then I think I'll just take off. So you know what I mean? She willing for work, we know that because she always in the studio. She have a lot of song who are grown the dancehall from years now. And you know what I mean? A lot of people there and now get no hit song. Jada have one heap of hit song. You see me, I say we can't deny her that. And she have good song, she have good range too. She sing a song like Win, where is a motivation song, you know what I mean? Every time I feel I can't do no different. And then she have her other song named Heavy, and you know what I mean? She have the she and Skilly Bang segment. So she well versatile. That's what me I try to say people. So I'm glad for hear say another female artist get an international deal or another Jamaican artist overall. Another artist from the Caribbean overall. Let me just say that because I want Caribbean me see. You see me? So, you know, if Jada win, Dancehall win. You see me? I want to know say like Shensi already signed to Interscope and she signed to Russian. We don't really know how the deal go, but she have her album come to. So now we say Jada, that's a second female, you know what I mean? And big up it to them. You see what I say? But congratulations to Jada again. So people, more want to tell me what you think about this. I want to feel like, you know what I mean, Jada fan them. When I just drop down in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this, you know what I mean? And everybody else overall, what you think I go on for Jada? We think we can finally get Jada, you know what I mean, keep going and going now, put in the work. Cause she willing for work, people. She said over and over, we see it over and over. She willing for work. So now she get the opportunity. I feel like it's a good move. But when you tell me what you think down in the comment section. Now people, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody, big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.